Looking for the best rice cooker but not sure which one is actually worth buying? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best rice cookers you can get right now. I'll compare cooking performance, capacity, features, and overall value so you can find the right rice cooker for perfectly cooked rice and easy everyday meals. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker 10 Cup Uncooked, Fuzzy Logic, 15-in-1 functions, digital display, delay timer, keep warm, non-stick inner pot. If you're considering the Toshiba Origin Taste 10 Cup Rice Cooker, you're looking at a modern multi-function appliance that's built to do much more than simply cook rice. Toshiba has earned a solid reputation for dependable home appliances, and this rice cooker is designed for busy households that want consistent results with very little effort. What this rice cooker is best known for is its fuzzy logic cooking technology. Unlike basic rice cookers that simply switch from cooked to warm, Fuzzy Logic automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature throughout the cooking process. The result is rice that's more evenly cooked with better texture, whether you're making white rice, brown rice, jasmine, sushi rice, or other popular varieties. In real-world American homes, this rice cooker is useful far beyond dinner time. Families often use it to prepare meal prep rice for the week, cook oatmeal before work, steam vegetables alongside dinner, or prepare soups and grains without constantly watching the stove. If your household enjoys homemade meals but has a busy schedule, the Origin Taste can simplify daily cooking. One of the biggest strengths is its 10-cup uncooked capacity, which produces enough rice for larger families, meal prepping, holiday gatherings, or weekly batch cooking. Instead of making multiple batches, you can prepare enough food in one cycle and refrigerate leftovers for quick lunches and dinners. Number 2. KitchenAid Compact 8-Cup, 1.9-liter, grain and rice cooker with automatic sensing and integrated scale, KGC 2154. If you're considering the KitchenAid Compact 8-Cup grain and rice cooker, you're looking at a premium appliance designed to make cooking grains easier and more consistent. KitchenAid has been a trusted name in American kitchens for decades, and this model reflects the brand's focus on thoughtful design and dependable performance. What this rice cooker is best known for is its automatic sensing technology and integrated scale, 2 features that help eliminate much of the guesswork involved in cooking rice and grains. Instead of manually measuring water for every recipe, the cooker helps determine the proper amount based on what you're preparing, making it easier to achieve consistent results. In real-world American households, this appliance is ideal for people who enjoy a variety of grains beyond traditional white rice. It works well for quinoa, farro, brown rice, steel-cut oats, barley, and other healthy grains that have become increasingly popular in meal prep and balanced diets. One of its biggest strengths is convenience. The automatic sensing system simplifies cooking by adjusting settings based on the ingredients inside the pot. For busy professionals, students, or parents juggling multiple tasks, that means less time checking recipes and more confidence that meals will turn out properly. The integrated scale is another standout feature. Measuring ingredients accurately is often one of the biggest challenges when preparing grains, and this built-in capability helps streamline the process while reducing the number of separate kitchen tools you need. Number 3. Rice Robot Rice Cooker, Family Size 4-Cup Uncooked, 8 Cups Cooked, Electric Rice Maker, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick, includes stainless steel steamer tray and accessories. If you're considering the Rice Robot Rice Cooker, you're looking at an appliance designed to make cooking rice easy without adding unnecessary complexity. While many modern rice cookers are packed with advanced settings and digital menus, the Rice Robot focuses on dependable everyday performance with a few thoughtful upgrades that appeal to today's home cooks. What this rice cooker is best known for is combining a family-friendly capacity with a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick cooking pot, giving buyers an alternative to traditional non-stick coatings. For many American households that are paying closer attention to cookware materials, that's an attractive feature. In real-world use across the United States, this rice cooker fits naturally into busy weekly meal routines. Whether you're preparing jasmine rice for stir-fry, brown rice for meal prep, quinoa for healthy lunches, or steaming vegetables alongside dinner, it helps simplify cooking without requiring constant attention. One of its biggest strengths is the 4-cup uncooked capacity, which produces up to 8 cups of cooked rice. That's enough for most families while still being compact enough for smaller kitchens. It's a practical size for couples, growing families, or anyone who likes preparing extra servings for leftovers. The included stainless steel steamer tray adds useful versatility. Instead of using multiple pots on the stove, you can steam vegetables, dumplings, fish, or other foods while the rice cooks below. That saves time, reduces cleanup, and makes weeknight dinners much easier. Number 4. Martha Stewart Rice Cooker, for cup, uncooked, /8 cup, cooked, ceramic nonstick removable pot, keep warm, measure markings, steam basket, brown and sushi rice, quick cook, quinoa, grains, oats. If you're looking at the Martha Stewart Rice Cooker, you're considering an appliance that blends practical cooking features with a clean, modern design. Martha Stewart products have long been associated with approachable home cooking, and this rice cooker follows that philosophy by making meal preparation straightforward and convenient. What this appliance is best known for is its combination of simple operation and versatile cooking programs. While it certainly handles traditional white rice well, it's also designed for brown rice, sushi rice, quinoa, oats, and other grains that have become staples in many American kitchens. In real-world households, this rice cooker works well for busy weeknight dinners, healthy meal prep, breakfast oatmeal, and side dishes that require very little supervision. Whether you're serving grilled chicken with rice, preparing grain bowls for lunches, or making sushi rice at home, the cooker helps eliminate much of the guesswork. One of its strongest features is the ceramic nonstick removable pot, which promotes easier cleanup while avoiding traditional nonstick coatings that some buyers prefer to avoid. The 4-cup uncooked capacity, producing up to 8 cups cooked, is well suited for couples and average-sized families. It provides enough rice for dinner with leftovers without taking up excessive storage space. Number 5. Yum Asia Sakura Rice Cooker with ceramic bowl and advanced fuzzy logic, 8 cup, 1.5 liter, 6 rice cook functions, 6 multi-cook functions, MoTouch LED display, 120V power. If you're considering the Yum Asia Sakura Rice Cooker, you're looking at a model that places exceptional emphasis on rice quality. While it also functions as a capable multi-cooker, its biggest reputation comes from producing consistently excellent rice through advanced cooking technology. What the Sakura is best known for is its advanced fuzzy logic cooking system, which continuously adjusts cooking temperature and timing throughout the cooking cycle. Rather than simply heating the pot until the water disappears, it actively manages the cooking process to improve texture, consistency, and flavor. In American households where rice is a frequent part of weekly meals, this technology can make a noticeable difference whether you're cooking jasmine rice, basmati, sushi rice, brown rice, or mixed grains. The ceramic cooking bowl is another standout feature. It provides a durable cooking surface while avoiding conventional nonstick coatings, and many buyers appreciate its premium feel and easy cleanup. Its 8-cup cooked capacity works well for couples, families, and meal preppers without becoming overly bulky on the countertop. Those are my picks for the top 5 best rice cookers. Some offer advanced cooking functions, while others focus on simplicity, larger capacity, or better value. The best choice depends on your cooking needs, kitchen space, and budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.